easy chicken thigh recipe. First thing you'll need about 3 tablespoons of butter. Just get the heat on. I'm going to salt them. Salt your chicken thighs. You want to pepper them. Both sides. This side. We're going to take a little flour. Just sprinkle flour on them. Both sides. Sprinkle. We're just going to brown them in the skillet. Turn that down. Get a medium high. About 4 or 5 minutes on each side. More slices of butter. And they should be about ready to turn. I'm just going to brown them on both sides. Brown them real good, and we'll remove them. I still got one more I gotta put in there. Do it real quick. Okay. Yes, make sure it's a good medium high heat. Want to brown them good. They're not done yet. Remove them from the pan. Place them out of the way. Let me finish this last one. After you remove your chicken from your pan, about a clove of garlic or a teaspoon of garlic. Cut up a good medium onion, red onion. Just like saute it. Get garlic in there. Saute this for about 3 or 4 minutes. I want to add a cup of white wine. 1 cup. To boil. A couple tablespoons of stone ground mustard. it. Bring it up to boil. Set our chicken right back in there. Chicken thighs. If you can smell it, you would like it. It smells good, yeah. Now, reduce your heat a little bit because you're going to cover. You'll let this cook for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And in about 15 minutes, maybe turn them once and cook it the rest of the 10 minutes. But let that cook like that. Turn your heat down about halfway. And just let it go. We'll see what it looks like when it comes out. It's been 15 minutes. And give it another 15 minutes to cook. It's gonna be nice and tender. We'll see how they are now. Should I cut into one? Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's good. Wow, yeah, they're done. Here you go. It's what for dinner. Wow, really good. Thanks for watching, and I'll be cooking more. Stay tuned.